If your LG TV has sound but no picture, it can be frustrating. Here are 9 effective methods to troubleshoot and potentially fix this issue. Method 1. Check HDMI cable and ports. Ensure your HDMI cable is securely connected and in good condition. Try switching the cable or using a different HDMI port on the TV. Sometimes a loose connection or a faulty port can cause the screen to go black. Method 2. Test with different input source. Switch to another input source like a different HDMI port, a gaming console, or a Blu-ray player. This can help determine if the issue is with the TV itself or the input source. Method 3. Power cycle the TV. Unplug your TV from the wall socket, wait about 10–15 minutes, and then plug it back in. This can help reset the TV and resolve temporary glitches. Method 4. Update TV firmware. Outdated firmware can cause various issues, including the screen going black. Navigate to your TV settings and check for any available software updates. If an update is available, install it and restart your TV. Method 5. Check the backlight. A common cause for having sound but no picture is a faulty backlight. To check if the backlight is working, turn on the TV in a dark room and shine a flashlight at an angle to the screen. If you can see faint images, the backlight might be the issue and may need replacement. Method 6. Disable power saving mode. Power saving mode can sometimes dim the screen or turn off the picture entirely. Go to your TV settings and ensure that power saving mode is disabled. Method 7. Factory reset. If other methods fail, consider performing a factory reset on the TV. This will restore the TV to its original settings, which can resolve software issues. However, this will erase all your saved settings, so use this as a last resort. Method 8. Inspect the T-Con board. The T-Con timing control board is responsible for controlling the pixels on your screen. If it's faulty, you might get sound but no picture. If you're comfortable with electronics, you can check for any visible damage on the T-Con board. Otherwise, this might require professional repair. Method 9. Check the TV panel. If none of the above solutions work, the issue might be with the TV panel itself. Unfortunately, this could mean a costly repair or even replacing the TV. It's advisable to contact LG support or a professional technician for further diagnosis.